I'm back, and I'm feeling better than ever. Well, I had a fever the other day, but not anymore. Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw Baby Janemba from Dragon Ball Heroes. Now, I know it sounds crazy, but I feel like the creators of Dragon Ball just took two characters and then spliced them together. But he's a genuine and actual character in Dragon Ball Heroes. I haven't exactly seen him in the show, but I feel like I'll see him one of these days. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you more information on him. Anyways, when drawing Baby Janemba, you must start with his eyes here. Start with his eyes. The next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw these horns here. Draw these horns. You know, for some reason, I feel like that Baby Janemba, well, I feel like when Baby found the power of a demon, he infused his parasitic body into Janemba and made himself stronger. It's like he didn't need Vegeta's power. I feel like he should have possessed him instead of Vegeta. That way he'd be a really big, powerful foe to fight. So, when drawing, you need to draw this line here. Now here's his line here. Now just draw these parts here. You know, my buddy Tyler, he came up with a monster hybrid based on Metal Cooler and Baby Janemba. He calls him Drainiac. He has the ability to drain people's minds and make them do his bidding. And he did the same thing with King Sapphire and fused together into Metal Sapphire. And if you want to know more about Monster Quest, I'm sure he'll give out more information about him real soon. Okay, so next up, here's his ear. There's his ear. Dragon Ball.
Now we let the thrills fill the room. Hearts are gonna beat with a boom. After that you'll understand. This horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit it's okay to cry just a bit, but we'll keep on going forward, burning brightly to the core, always energized. Legends never die, so we won't. Are you ready to achieve that amazing victory? First we get it pumped, then we crash, winning in the rut, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe, and it stretches.
Okay. Alexa, in Dragon Ball GT, who is Baby?
Here's something I found on the web. According to ConstantShoe.com, the new secret rare card for Galaxy Mission 4 in Dragon Ball Heroes, the ongoing card-based arcade game in Japan, has been revealed as Baby Janemba.
Alexa, who is Baby Janemba?
Yitzhak Zev Soloveitchik's children are Joseph B. Soloveitchik, Meshulam David Soloveitchik, Beryl Soloveitchik, Yehiel Michelle Feinstein, and Rifol Soloveitchik.
Sorry about that, you guys. Okay, so next up we just draw this line here.
Into the future now, get ready, go on to your fighting run. They're gonna talk about this battle to arcade. Be the hero that you vision. Don't think it's scary cause it isn't so, not with the shining sun. The greatest battle ever conquered now begins. Don't forget to check
his pectoral.
To get it back. You were told.
Here's the other side here.
Fighting with the Dragon Ball hero. 17 with all your friends. From the past, from the now, or ahead. Get us to the wall. We're taking home the gold. Standing with the Dragon Ball.
You know, for your information, just imagine how adorable it would be if you saw an actual Baby Janemba. That'd be an awesome sight to see.
Like a burning wall.
And like in that movie, Janemba is actually an employee from the other world where King Yema lives, and he got doused in chemicals and transformed into Janemba's actual form.
Underneath starts to show its face.
Then you shout loud.
If you saw my last two Janemba videos, you should know that that I also draw a baby in one of the pictures in one of the videos. Just so you know, Baby Janemba, I'm starting to get a liking for this guy. Just imagine a baby possessed cooler. That'd be something, right?
Soon enough you'll be a hero indeed. Be the greatest they see. Giant red and gold, rise above your foes. Now we need the Dragon Ball heroes. There's a fire inside your eyes. Understand that it's there burning bright. As you were told back from long ago, fight them with the Dragon Ball heroes. 17 with all your friends. From the
Alexa, resume playing. Sorry about that, folks. Alexa, play Limit Break X Survivor. Hold on. Let me just fix this. There we go. We'll get to that later. Okay. There's his foot here. Hold on, let me just zoom out a little bit. His okay, almost done with that. There we go. Now for the lines here. Alexa, are you still there? And finally, let's just draw his tail. Alexa, play Limit Break X Survivor.
Limit Break X Survivor from Dragon Ball Super by We.B on Amazon Music.
Okay, almost done. And there we go. That's how you draw Baby Janemba. That wasn't so hard, wasn't it? Okay, so, there he is. I hope you guys drew well. Anyways, that's how you draw Baby Janemba. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And who do you guys prefer that baby should be fused with? Janemba or Vegeta? You decide. You can decide at any time and leave a comment below. Cause I was new at Dragon Ball, and if you ask me, drawing these guys are getting better and better. Until next time, Janemba!